Let's face it, data breaches are a major concern. Hackers are out there, and when they gain access to personal information, it can be a nightmare. We're talking things like your social security number, credit card details, even your home address, all exposed. This can lead to identity theft, financial loss, and a serious erosion of trust. That's where privacy comes in. We all have a right to control our personal information. It's about feeling safe and secure online, knowing our data isn't being collected or used without our consent. Thankfully, there's a growing awareness of this issue. Regulations like GDPR, General Data Protection Regulation, and CCPA, California Consumer Privacy Act, are putting user privacy rights front and center. These regulations give us more control over our data and hold companies accountable for how they collect and use it. It's not just in these places, though. No matter where you are, governments around the globe are writing up laws regarding the protection of consumer data and what rights you are afforded as an internet denizen. So, how do we strike the right balance? It's not a simple answer. We need robust security measures to protect ourselves from online threats, but we also need strong privacy protections to ensure our data isn't misused. This is an ongoing conversation, and it's important to stay informed. Do your research, understand your rights, and use tools that give you control over your privacy. Together, we can create a safer and more secure online environment for everyone.